This is Tajamul Adil. Today I'm talking about a home audio studio for your desktop, television, or if you want to enjoy a music with quality Bluetooth amplifier. The Fuzzy Audio BT30 Pro is a budget-friendly 2.1 Bluetooth amplifier which is good in value and it has ability to power passive speakers and a subwoofer. Let's jump into the unboxing and see what's inside the box. The BT30 Pro is a strong option for desktop and small room setups with the dedicated knobs for subwoofer volume and frequency control. The 5 analog knobs provide independent controls over master volume, bass, treble, subwoofer volume, and a subwoofer frequency, allowing users to tune the sound to their preferences. You can connect the BT30 Pro Bluetooth to your smartphone, and after it connected successfully, you can find the red light turn into a blue light. The BT30 Pro is a 2.1 channel Bluetooth amplifier which is designed for passive speakers and subwoofers. However, I am now using it with headphone via the 3.5 mm cable to the audio jack. You must connect an external headphone amplifier to the pre-out jack on the back of the BT30 Pro. BT30 Pro boasts a solid all-metal build and high-quality controls that contribute to a premium build. The BT30 Pro has extremely easy and intuitive control design with 5 knobs and a power switch. The dedicated knobs allow a finer and more independent controls of each of the volume and tuning features of the amplifier. All the knobs has a very nice smooth movement with a stepless rotation that goes from min to max by rotating it 270 degrees. Now I'm using the BT30 Pro with the television as you need to connect Bluetooth with the amplifier. In the next section, I will show you the process. When connected to a television, the BT30 Pro delivers a significant audio improvement over standard television speakers, providing clearer sound, more powerful output, and ability to add speakers and a subwoofer. Also, you can use the amplifier's bass, treble, speaker volume, and subwoofer frequency controls to fine-tune the audio for movies and television shows. The Fuzzy Audio is an excellent choice who wants to build a high quality and budget-friendly 2.1 home audio studio. If you already own passive speakers and subwoofer and you want to add a Bluetooth amplifier on it, then it's a right choice for you, and its buying price is $109.99 and you can find the buying links in the video description. If you are looking for a car multimedia system that can mirror your iPhone or Android devices, then you click on this video. Thanks for watching and I will see you in this video.